Welcome to our guide on how to earn $850 per day with 6 lucrative side hustles using Chat GPT. In today's world, supplementing your income has become essential, and with the help of artificial intelligence tools like Chat GPT, earning extra money has never been easier. In this video, we'll explore 6 diverse methods that can potentially help you generate significant revenue, all powered by the capabilities of artificial intelligence. Let's go ahead and get into it. First up, freelance writing. With Chat GPT's language generation capabilities, you can delve into freelance writing gigs. Create captivating blog posts, articles, or marketing content for businesses. Many platforms seek quality content, and by harnessing Chat GPT's assistance, you can quickly craft engaging pieces, attracting lucrative writing assignments, and earning up to $150 per project. Now, you might be asking, is it realistic to make so much money off the methods we will be going over? And I 100% say yes. It is possible to make this much money per day. Now, no one is saying it will be easy. You will have to put in a lot of hard work to make any one of these methods pay off, but it can be done. Alright, let's get back to it. Through freelance writing, Chat GPT's prowess becomes evident, enabling you to craft compelling content effortlessly. Its language generation power expands your writing horizons, opening doors to lucrative projects. By utilizing this AI tool, you can transform ideas into valuable content, paving the way toward your financial aspirations. A couple of good websites to check out if you're interested in this method are Upwork.com, a leading freelance platform offering various writing gigs, and Freelancer.com, another platform with a wide range of writing opportunities. Next, consider online tutoring. Leverage ChatGPT's knowledge base to assist in tutoring sessions. Help students with subjects like math, science, or language learning. With the AI's support in explaining concepts, you can earn $30 to $50 per hour, reaching that $850 daily goal with just a few sessions. With online tutoring, ChatGPT serves as your educational companion, aiding in simplifying complex concepts. This demonstrates how the AI facilitates seamless learning experiences, enabling you to monetize your teaching skills and earn significantly in the digital tutoring landscape. Now, I am not affiliated with any of the websites I have referenced in this video in any way, so I am not getting paid to say any of this. With that said, 2 websites to explore for online tutoring are Chegg.com, a platform connecting students with tutors across different subjects, and VIPKid.com, which offers opportunities for teaching English to students online. Our next profitable avenue is social media management. Use ChatGPT's insights to create compelling social media content and strategize marketing campaigns for businesses. With potential earnings of $25 to $40 per hour, managing multiple accounts can help you reach your $850 target effortlessly. Social media management coupled with AI assistance reveals its strategic brilliance. It's not just about content creation, it's about leveraging this AI's insights to drive engagement and conversions. With ChatGPT as your ally, your path to reaching financial milestones in this domain becomes notably achievable. Websites you can use for social media management are Hootsuite.com, a social media management platform offering valuable resources and job listings, and SocialMediaToday.com. They provides insights and trends in social media management. Now, moving to the next method. Virtual assistance is in high demand. Utilize ChatGPT to streamline administrative tasks, respond to emails, schedule appointments, and more. Offering virtual assistant services can fetch you $20 to $30 per hour, allowing you to hit your earnings goal while working remotely. Virtual assistance, enhanced by ChatGPT, streamlines tasks with precision. This epitomizes how the AI optimizes your administrative capabilities, enabling you to provide top-notch remote support and secure substantial earnings in the burgeoning virtual assistance industry. For virtual assistance jobs, go to FancyHands.com, a platform for virtual assistants with various tasks, and TimeEtc.com, which offers virtual assistant jobs and resources. Transcription services are a goldmine. With ChatGPT's transcription capabilities, convert audio or video files into text accurately. Earn around $1 to $2 per minute of transcribed content, easily achieving your daily income target. Transcription services, fueled by accuracy and speed, become a lucrative avenue. The AI's transcription prowess simplifies the conversion of audio to text, making each minute transcribed a step closer to your income goals. With this tool at your disposal, achieving financial success through transcription services becomes well within reach. The first website to visit for transcription services is rev.com, a well-known platform for transcription jobs. And second, go visit transcribeme.com. They offer transcription opportunities for freelancers. Lastly, tap into creative design gigs. Use Chat GPT's assistance for brainstorming and generating ideas. Create logos, graphics, or illustrations for clients and earn $100 to $200 per project, making it a lucrative side hustle. Embracing AI for creative design elevates your artistic pursuits, unlocking a world of innovative possibilities. Its ability to generate ideas and aid in design creation becomes your creative catalyst, attracting high-paying projects. With Chat GPT as your creative partner, achieving your financial ambitions through design endeavors becomes an exhilarating journey. And the websites for creative design gigs are Behance.net. They showcase creative portfolios and job opportunities. And Dribble.com, a platform for designers to showcase their work and find freelance projects. These side hustles showcase the versatility of Chat GPT in enhancing various income-generating opportunities. By harnessing its AI capabilities, you can truly unlock your potential and achieve financial goals. So, you may now agree, Chat GPT serves as an invaluable tool to boost your income through these diverse side hustles. Whether you're a writer, tutor, social media enthusiast, or a creative professional, integrating this AI into your workflow can significantly elevate your earnings. Remember, dedication, consistency, and leveraging the power of AI can help you reach that $850 per day milestone. So, pick a side hustle that resonates with you, harness the capabilities of Chat GPT, and start your journey towards financial success today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Stay tuned for our next insightful guide. Until then, happy hustling.